Hello, I'm Jarrod Cooper ND. Today, I want to share some insights into a topic that is both fascinating and essential to our overall well-being: the gut microbiome and its profound impact on immune health. We're going to explore not only how our gut functions as an immune organ, but also how we can objectively assess its health through targeted testing and use a functional medicine approach to restore balance. Our gastrointestinal tract is home to a vast community of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and more. Remarkably, nearly 70% of our immune system resides in our gut. When the microbiome is balanced, it supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and helps regulate inflammation. But when this balance is disrupted, a condition known as dysbiosis, the consequences can extend well beyond the digestive system, potentially contributing to chronic inflammation, autoimmune disorders, and other health issues. In functional medicine, we view the gut as both a gateway and a guardian of health. Understanding its status is paramount to addressing many chronic conditions. We truly understand what's happening in the gut. We rely on specific laboratory markers that provide a window into gut health. Some of the key markers include calprotectin, secretory IgA, zonulin, and pancreatic elastase, along with a detailed analysis of beneficial versus the non-beneficial bacteria. So let's break down these markers. Calprotectin. This protein is released by immune cells during inflammation. Elevated levels in the stool indicate intestinal inflammation, often seen in conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease. Monitoring calprotectin helps us understand if there is an inflammatory process occurring in the gut. Secretory IgA is a critical antibody that lines the gut mucosa, acting as the first line of defense against pathogens. It helps maintain a balanced microbial environment, and low levels can indicate a compromised immune barrier. Zonulin. Zonulin regulates the tight gap junctions between your cell linings of your intestine. Elevated levels suggest that the intestinal barrier may be leaky, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to enter the bloodstream, which can trigger systemic inflammation. Another marker, pancreatic elastase. This marker assesses pancreatic function, particularly the exocrine activity essential for proper digestion. So low pancreatic elastase can indicate pancreatic insufficiency, affecting nutrient digestion, absorption, and your overall gut health. So the bacteria mix, beneficial versus non-beneficial bacteria. A comprehensive analysis of your microbiome evaluates the diversity and balance between helpful bacteria that support digestion and immune function, and to those that may contribute to dysbiosis and inflammation. By using an advanced stool test, we gain detailed understanding of your current state of your gut. The data from these markers allows us to pinpoint specific imbalances and tailor a personalized plan to restore your gut health. Once we have a clear picture from these tests, a multifaceted approach is implemented to correct these imbalances. Many patients may come in with similar symptoms that resemble IBS, but will be treated very differently depending on their individual biomarkers. Here are some core strategies. Targeted supplementation. So based on your test results, we may recommend supplements designed to support gut integrity and immune function. For example, nutrients like L-glutamine and zinc carnosine can help restore the mucosal barrier. Additionally, probiotics may be used to boost beneficial bacteria, while prebiotics help nourish these populations. There's also nutritional interventions. So a nutrient-dense diet plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy gut, emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods rich in fiber and protein to support the growth of beneficial bacteria. You can incorporate fermented foods such as sauerkraut. These can provide a natural source of probiotics, while prebiotic-rich foods like onions and garlic and asparagus help foster a thriving microbiome. Some of these foods can be reactive to certain individuals, particularly with dysbiosis. Antimicrobials will need to be used with these patients first while following a plain paleo-style diet. Addressing pathogens, parasites, and harmful bacteria. In some cases, the presence of pathogenic bacteria, parasites, or overgrowth of non beneficial bacteria is a significant contributor to dysbiosis. To address these challenges, antimicrobial herbs can be an effective strategy. So, herbs with natural antimicrobial properties, such as oregano, garlic extract, berberine, plus many others, are used selectively to reduce harmful organisms, therefore creating a healthier environment for beneficial bacteria to flourish. Also, lifestyle modifications. Don't underestimate lifestyle modifications. So, things like stress management, regular physical activity, and adequate sleep. These are all crucial factors that impact the gut health. Chronic stress can promote inflammatory processes that undermine the gut barrier. So, just making adjustments in these areas can significantly reduce systemic inflammation. We also want to monitor and reassess. So it's an important aspect of this approach is ongoing evaluation. So by periodically retesting markers such as calprotectin, secretory IgA, zonulin, pancreatic elastase, and your overall microbiome diversity, we can monitor progress and adjust the treatment plan as needed, ensuring that interventions remain effective and you're tailored to your evolving needs. Because a functional medicine approach is not about a one size fits all solution. It's about understanding that each individual's gut microbiome is unique and requires a personalized strategy. By integrating advanced testing with targeted nutritional, herbal, and lifestyle interventions, we can understand and address the underlying imbalances that contribute to chronic disease. So, if you experience persistent digestive issues, unexplained fatigue, or recurrent infections, I encourage you to consider a thorough evaluation of your gut health. With careful testing and individualized interventions, we can uncover hidden imbalances and work towards a healthier, more resilient system. Your gut is a complex, dynamic system that plays a critical role in overall health. Through objective testing and personalized interventions and a functional medicine approach can help restore balance and promote long-term well-being. I also want to mention that comprehensive testing for these important markers is available through my online program at www.functionalmedicinesolution.com. In this program, I go into great detail on how to assess your own gut microbiome markers and select the right supplements based on your specific results. It's a resource designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to take proactive steps towards lasting wellness. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information empowers you to explore personalized strategies for optimal health.